This is the Iron Trader. The pits will be closing here in about 30 minutes. As usual, we're going to review crude oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old crude ski. Okay, here is a daily chart. Now, I'm going to show you exactly why you trade the charts versus news or anything else. Okay, so last night the API report came in very bullish, huge draw in crude oil, 6.68 million. Today on the EIA report, another huge draw of over 12 million. But if you look at the chart, look where crude went, right into the 50-day SMA. Now, it needs to close over. That's the key, close over. If it can close over, then your next stop here is 75.97. That's your 100-day. Then you have a retest here at 77.93, and then your big boy here is sitting at 80.19. Okay, again, it needs to close over, not what it did today intraday. Now, I want you to watch this key 21 SMA. This is sitting at 72.38, and this key 8 SMA here sitting at 72.27. Now you see how it's curling up. If it can curl it up over that 21, then you can push the price right on up. So there is your key levels. Now remember, what we do here on this site is you basically just trade level to level, downside, level to level. So on the downside, watch this key 21, watch this key 8 SMA here. Those are your key support levels. And if you're lost, then we look to the candles there, to the bottom of these candles here. 70.67, okay? 70.04, 69.41, 68.48, 67.95. Those are your key levels of support if this 21 and 8 day are lost. If they're not, then she's going to go higher or sideways. So when we go all the way over here, you look at the nice support on the line that going all the way across. Very, very nice. But you need to close above this 50 SMA. Now, huge draws all the way around in API and EIA, and it still hasn't closed above. Now, remember, you got Memorial Weekend this weekend here. You got the OPEC meeting here on June 4th. So there's a lot of good bullishness here, okay? But if the price happens to come down and holds these two key levels, the 21 and the SMA here, then that is your buying opportunity. You buy that and then for a nice run on up. So let's take a look here at the weekly and your monthly. All right, here we have the old weekly chart. Let's bigger up a little bit here. Okay, so key support, 67.13. 200 SMA, very, very key support. If not, lost, then you're going to go here, 65.38. You're going to go 64.36, and then your big retest here is 63.64. On the upside, watch the 8 SMA, 75.61, and watch the 21, 75.89. Key resistance levels. If it can close above, key level here, key thing is closed, then here's your target, 83.43. All right, here on your monthly chart, always watch your 200 SMA here. You're sitting at 72.71 on your 200 SMA. If that is lost, then we look down here to this 50 SMA. You're sitting at 66.06. Now, if you look here, all your price is contained underneath this key 8 SMA. If you can close above the 8 SMA at 78.65, then your target here is 86.07. It's basically level to level. That's all that matters. Okay, so let's take a look here now at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas. So far today here, we got ourselves a nice green candle. All right, so on the upside, what we want to do is look at this 8 SMA right there. You're sitting at 2.43. If you can close above, then what we have here is your 100-day, 2.582, and then you have your retest area sitting at 2.685. Those are your resistance levels going on the up. On the downside, what you want to do is watch this key 21. 2.31, you want to watch the 50-day, 2.24, and then if that's lost, you can go down and retest this 203. The big test here is 1.946. Okay, so we just basically, your channel's still intact. 2.685 top, 2.031. Trade the range, okay? So today I scalped the boil. I scalped it twice. I got 20 cents out of it. I'm trading 10,000 shares. So overall, not bad. Let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly chart. All right, here's your weekly chart. Now, on the upside, what you need to do is right here, 2.538 to 21 SMA. If you can close above that, then we look to these candles onto the left here, okay? 2.674, 2.83, and then a nice good retest here, 3.027, and then the target I'd be looking for here is 3.75. On the downside, watch this key 8 SMA, 2.264. So right now you're pinched in between here. We'll see how it breaks, but it looks like that 8 day is curling up and it wants to move higher. What it needs is a nice catalyst. If you look at a monthly chart, basically sideways action here. If you can, if this does break up, always watch your key 100 SMA. You're looking at 3.25. You want to look at your 50 SMA here, 3.68, and then you want to look at your 200 SMA here, 4.13. Those would be the targets if it starts rallying up. All right, thanks for watching.